What's up, everybody? Dave here from Sandrick Cemetery, of course. It's a quick update on the creature. I had a base coat of brown, burnt umber, I'm sorry. Black first on the front, then the rest of burnt umber. Some creepy cloth right now over the skin. Then I did some dry brushing of some green. Give it some type of a monster look. Instead of just black and usual brown, I went with some green. I got some more pus on the eyes. Made the inner part of the eye some pink. And that's it so far. Gave it a weird looking tongue or something coming out of its mouth. But that's the update on the painting of the creature. Now I was trying to think of some creepy arms to make, so I had these leftover skeleton legs. I took off one of my posing skeletons and I took the feet off, and screw it here, and those pop out where the feet pose and stay. So I'm going to use this part as the arm and make that the shoulder and that the arm, of course, the elbow, and I'm going to make my own giant creepy hands. So I'll be using those like that, like one shoulder here, it's right shoulder, and I'm going to attach a big creepy hand I'll make maybe out of foil and some of this caulk and vinegar mix. So that's my plan for the arms. And I got two of those. I still have to take the foot off of this one. But the feet pop out real easy. It's just 4 screws here on the end, and you just lift it up and they pop right out. So I thought those would be cool arms. Nice long bony arms, because I wasn't using them anyway, so those were left over from a groundbreaking skeleton I made. So I figured might as well use them for the arms, and I'll make some hands like I said, and that'll be that. So until I have more updates, that's it for now. Thanks for watching. And here's the hand I'm making for the creature. I had one of those cheap skeleton hands from a dollar store, wrapped it in foil, and I extended it, the fingers, with foil, and I'm just covering it in hot glue, just layers of hot glue, and then I'll corpse it and then do a paint job, and hopefully I can cut this out. I'll cut it out with a X-Acto knife or razor blade and try to pull the hand out. If not, I'll just leave it in there and use another one, or use my hand and wrap it in foil. But those are the plans for the hands. And then got some cheap fabric plan to use for the creature to cover him, and got PVC back there for his spine and build for the arms. Here's the basic body frame for the creature. See his arms, attached them to 1-inch PVC that I bent, the heat gun, the usual pool noodles. 1 inch all the way down, that'll give her a piece of rebar, and inch up to 1/4 of an inch piece, so I can plop its head on there. And I use some foam board from Dollar Tree to give a hunch look for his back. And as you can see, I have the PVC at an angle here, so it looks like it's hunched once I put the cloth over it. So I won't have any legs or feet. It's just gonna look like this thing's hunched over, walking with like a cape or some type of clothing or cover over it. So that's the basic body build. I have it tilted, so once the head is on, looks like his head's kind of tilted looking at you. And here I'm working on grunging up the cover for the creature. Some spray paint, and turn the water hose on here. Kind of make it look all dirty. Kind of messed up there, but I don't really care. Makes the look like dirt or something's running on it. I think all you do is next add some green, some yellow splatters, and I might call that done.